In today's fast-paced world, saving money is more crucial than ever, especially for individuals with a low income. It can provide financial security, help achieve long-term goals, and create a safety net for unexpected expenses. However, traditional methods of saving may not always be feasible for everyone. That's where the innovative use of artificial intelligence, AI, comes into play. In 2024, AI is set to revolutionize personal finance and budgeting strategies, making it easier for individuals to manage their money effectively. By leveraging AI technology, individuals can access personalized financial advice, track their spending habits, and identify areas where they can save more. Join us as we explore the exciting ways AI is reshaping the landscape of saving money for those with low income. AI-powered budgeting tools. AI-powered budgeting tools like Penny and Clarity Money are revolutionizing the way individuals track expenses and set saving goals. These innovative platforms use AI algorithms to analyze spending patterns, categorize transactions, and provide personalized insights into financial habits. By harnessing the power of AI, users can receive real-time alerts on their spending, identify areas for cost-cutting, and create customized budgets tailored to their needs. Integrating AI tools into daily financial routines can lead to significant savings and improved financial planning. Whether it's automatically categorizing expenses or suggesting ways to optimize savings, AI-powered budgeting tools offer a practical and efficient solution for individuals looking to take control of their finances in 2024. Automated savings apps. Automated savings apps like Digit and Qapital are changing the game when it comes to effortless saving, thanks to their integration of AI technology. These apps analyze users' spending habits and automatically save small amounts regularly, making saving a seamless part of daily life. One popular feature is the round-up savings method, where purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar, with the spare change deposited into a savings account. Over time, these small contributions can add up significantly, helping individuals build a substantial savings fund without even realizing it. By leveraging AI to simplify the saving process and encourage consistent contributions, automated savings apps are empowering individuals to take control of their financial future in a practical and efficient way. AI-powered investment platforms. AI-powered investment platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment are democratizing investing by making it accessible and affordable, even for individuals with low income. These platforms utilize AI algorithms to create diversified investment portfolios tailored to users' financial goals and risk tolerance. One key advantage is the automated portfolio rebalancing and tax loss harvesting features, which help maximize returns and minimize tax liabilities. By leveraging AI technology, users can benefit from sophisticated investment strategies typically reserved for high-net-worth individuals. For those looking to dip their toes into investing, starting small and gradually increasing investment contributions is a smart approach. With AI-powered investment platforms, individuals can embark on their investment journey with confidence, knowing that their financial future is in capable hands. Smart shopping with AI. AI is transforming the way we shop by offering valuable assistance in making smart purchasing decisions to save money on everyday expenses. Apps like Honey and Rakuten leverage AI to provide users with discounts, coupons, and cashback opportunities on online purchases, helping them stretch their dollars further. Price tracking tools powered by AI can analyze historical data and trends to pinpoint the optimal time to buy products at the lowest prices, enabling users to make informed buying decisions. By following AI recommendations and utilizing money-saving features, individuals can avoid impulse purchases and stick to their budget. Embracing AI technology in shopping not only enhances the overall shopping experience, but also empowers consumers to make savvy financial choices in 2024 and beyond. Leveraging AI technology for saving money with low income offers a plethora of benefits across budgeting, saving, investing, and smart shopping. AI-powered tools like Penny, Digit, Wealthfront, and Honey provide practical solutions to optimize financial planning and make informed purchasing decisions. Take action today to harness the power of AI in managing your finances more effectively and achieving your money-saving goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to secure your financial future with the help of AI.